This video is about extending the range of your garage door opener. Basically, I just took about 2 feet of wire, and as you can see up here, it's a fairly stiff wire. It's a thin one, it's a stiff one, and I stripped the ends. I thought that would maybe give it some better radio signal reception without having the plastic on the tips. And then just basically, I didn't strip the center. I just wrapped it around the primary antenna to the garage door opener. And I did about 3 wraps on there, and as you can see, it's just spread out pretty decently. It's not in the way of anything. It's fairly short. It's only about 2 feet of wire, and it works. Basically, any point in my driveway now I can open the door instead of having to stop right at the door when it closes, and then or to close it or to open it. Now I can just pull up to the driveway. It opens it up. For some reason, some of these units, they just won't open unless you extend them. And this is how I've extended mine, and it works for me. So good luck, God bless. Hope it works for you. Works for me.